So this is my F21 M135i. It's the LCI model, meaning it's the facelift. It's basically the 140. It's got the 140 chassis, 140 body, but it's got the M55 engine in it. The car is bone stock at the minute. I've got the little lip spoiler. I've got a rear diffuser with the F1 light. I've got the Cobra exhaust, a full non-res catback Cobra exhaust. She sounds very good. It's Estrel blue, but as of now, there's no engine modifications. I've got a K&N air filter, and that's about it engine wise. There is no power mods. She's all stock apart from the exhaust. Like I say, she is an absolute beast. I've had it for about 3 months now. It's powered by a 3 litre straight 6 rear wheel drive. It's got 322 brake horsepower, 450 Newton meters of torque. Let me tell you, she's a weapon. So we're gonna go out now, hit a few country roads, hit a few B roads, but stay tuned guys, because today we have a POV review for you. I do apologise for the sun guys. I did come out nice and early for you so we could get the sunrise. Like I say, gearbox, very responsive. Throttle response is absolutely bang on. And I tell you what, the back end's not as bad as you think it would be. Getting some haters there on the side of the road, but the grip is quite well. I do normally run PS5s on it, but long story short, I've got some Maxxis VS5s on it. And I tell you what, she moves. She moves. And I'm short shifting here a little bit, only slightly, but as you probably noticed, I'm short shifting. So as I was saying before, I've come out of an A45 AMG and into this, the W176. It was a pre-facelift, so it was a 2014, but it was stage 1, so it was 410 brake horsepower it was. This is 320, but as I said before, this is rear wheel drive, so it's quite a big difference in putting the power down and obviously understeer versus oversteer. But you'd be surprised at how responsive and how reactive the car is. It's very good, and considering it's a 3 litre rear wheel drive car, it puts the power down very, very nice. The starts aren't obviously against a 4-wheel drive car. You're not gonna beat that launch. You won't. Not rear wheel versus 4-wheel, but it's a quick car, and as soon as it gets up that power band, as soon as it stretches those gears, it pulls like a train. There's not much that'll beat them, to be honest with you. I do quite like it. It's growing on me more than I thought it would, but it's a very good car, and for the price you can't really complain. Value for money, these M135i's are bang on. It didn't cost me too much. It cost, well, just under, around about £15,000 it cost me this car. A little bit less than that in reality. It has got 55,000, it had 55,000 miles on it when I bought it. It's now got 61 on it. It's only ever had 2 owners. I'm the 3rd owner. So for value for money, you can get the 3 litre rear wheel drive, low mileage, low owner spec car with the same, it looks the same as the 140. They're not quite the same, but I've been told reliability on the M55s can be an issue if not maintained. I've had my charge pipe go a couple of weeks ago. My charge pipe went. These are known for the charge pipes going though. So, and it's not an expensive fix. You can get aftermarket aluminium charge pipes, which I do plan on getting very soon. But as there's a new one just been fitted by the dealership, I'm not going to buy one yet. Like I say, yeah, it puts power down very, very well. We'll hit this road here for you now. Let's get us a quick little lap time in there. We would be stuck behind someone, wouldn't we? And there it is. So that's the B roads hit. We'll do a little bit of street driving now. Fuel is very short lasting in this car, we'll say, for me. But like I say, it all depends on how you drive the car. I'm stuck behind a green arches wagon now, can't really see a thing. But this is perfect time for me to tell you about the fuel and whatnot. It's when you drive an Eco Pro, it's not actually terrible. It's really not. But how can you have a car like this in eco mode? I don't understand. Just doesn't make sense to me, to be honest. You gotta have fun in your cars. If you're spending all this money, life's short. Eco Pro, boring mode. So it's alright, you even gain mileage here and there when you drive it really nice. But to drive it really nice, my foot's not even on the thingy now, on the pedal now. Excuse me, and look, as soon as I put the slightest bit of gas on, so it's almost undrivable. It's not, do you know what actually? That's another drawback to this car as well. You'll notice when I pull off, I'm gonna go right in a minute. You'll notice when I pull off, when I'm in Eco Pro, there's like a lag in the accelerator, I don't know what it is, but that does bug me. I'm in a few groups on Facebook and all of them say the same. The Eco Pro mode is terrible. It's not responsive, it's just slow. It's just sluggish. Look, my foot's down there. There's a bit of a delay before it wants to kick in. But it's useful if you've not got any fuel. Like I say, that is boring mode. Who wants to be on boring mode? Definitely not me. So we're just gonna grab a bite now. I am gonna grab a bite. Anyway, I'm awfully peckish. Just gonna hit a quick Mackey's, and then we'll carry on the review, guys. Probably gonna look at me like I've got two heads now in here because I've got a GoPro stuck to my head. But I'm not give a fuck. With that, guys, I'm going to leave you to it. So that is my POV review done of my M135i F21. She's a beast. I do have more modifications to come with this car. Like I say, I'm going to stage 2 the car. I want to get some new wheels. I'd possibly want to wrap it, maybe. I might just get a coloured PPF. It depends. We'll see what I feel like at the time. I'm not too sure, but I'm definitely going to stage 2 it, get some new wheels, get some spacers on it, lower it a little bit. I need some coilovers, some Bilstein coilovers, I've got a new steering wheel. I bought a new steering wheel already, guys. So that is gonna arrive next month. Well, I need to go and collect it next month. Carbon wheel. But other than that, I think that's it for the 135 for now. So I hope you've enjoyed today's episode of Drop Gears Auto. There will be weekly uploads, as there's always been, consistency with this channel. So I'll see you next week, guys. Take care. I don't know. Who knows?
Oh. Confidence way.